Report on education and scholarship update. Medha Soft portal from class 10 and 12 students. The government of Bihar has launched the Medha Soft portal to provide financial incentive and scholarship to the students who have successfully passed their class 10 and class 12 examination. This online initiative managed by Education Department, Government of Bihar, ensure transparency, efficiency and timely disbursement of scholarship funds directly into students' bank account through the direct benefit transfer system. The primary aim of Medha Soft portal is to support meritorious and deserving students by offering them financial assistance for their academic achievement. It promotes educational continuity and motivates students, particularly those from economically weaker background, to pursue higher education. Additionally, the system helps eliminate middlemen and reduces paperwork by making the entire scholarship process digital. The Medha Soft portal provides a user-friendly platform for students to register, upload documents and track their scholarship status. It includes several major schemes such as Mukhyamantri Balak Balika Protsahan Yojana for class 10th pass student, Mukhyamantri Kanya Uthan Yojana for class 12 pass girls student, Mukhyamantri Medha Yatri Yojana for ST/SC girls students. Students need to enter accurate personal and academic details, upload scanned copies of their mark sheet, Aadhaar card and bank passbook, and ensure their bank account is Aadhaar seeded for a successful payment processing. For class 10 student, applicants must have passed their Bihar School Examination Board matrix exam with the list first or second division depending on their category. For class 12 students, those who have passed the BSEB or equivalent examinations are eligible with special provisions for girls student under the Kanya Uthan Yojana. The applicants must also be permanent residents of Bihar and have valid bank account in their name. Scholarship benefit. Under various schemes, eligible students receive one-time financial assistance, 10,000 for students securing first division in class 10, 8,000 for second division for ST/SC student, 10,000 or more for girl students passing class 12 under the Kanya Uthan Yojana. The funds are directly transferred to the student's bank account once verification is completed. Application process and deadlines. Student can apply by visiting medhasoft.bihar.gov.in, filling the online form and uploading the necessary document. The portal also provides options to check application status and print acknowledgement receipt. Recent updates suggest that the registration for 2025 opened for both matric and intermediate students, with deadline extended up to 15 September 2025. The Medha Soft initiative has streamlined Bihar's scholarship system by reducing corruption and ensuring transparency. It has benefited lakhs of students across the state, particularly encouraging girls to continue higher studies. However, challenges like technical glitches, incomplete Aadhaar bank linkage, and a lack of awareness in the rural area still persist, delaying some payment.